Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from MajorSurplus. Feel free to check them out. We have a large variety of items. Again, MajorSurplus. Feel free to check them out. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's figure out the best way to open this. Looks like they took a larger box and folded it down. Let's go ahead and see, cut the tape. Not sure if there'll be one of their manifests in here. I think I see it here already. So as I cut all this tape here, yeah, I can see how they edged the box down a couple of inches to save space, which is cool. I might actually just take this out of the way. So we got that. Got the manifest. Let's see, they put a piece of cardboard to protect against cutting. So we got two of these. So these are commercial Mil-Spec Plus GI Adventure Gear 58 by 86. So these are GI style, not actual issue. So let's go ahead and open one of these. I think it's just a simple mallet cup. Comes in the bag. It's a basic poncho liner with tie downs, no grommets. And these are going to be a label. Let's see a label. Let's go ahead and get these out of the way since we got two of these. Also went ahead and got one in a black. Be good for heat absorption. Let's see, no particular order. Let's get these out of the way. We have ordered some genuine GI braided parachute cord. I do believe this would be it. DuPont nylon braided cord, 26 feet. You can see the label there. Kind of an olive drab. And we also ordered 3 bundles of genuine British parachute cord, 50 feet. This is their version of olive drab. You can see a little bit of a color difference there. Not quite foliage green, but darker. You can see how the ends are bound together. Very nice. So that's 3 of those versus 1 of those. And then we had ordered 20 check gauze compression bandages. So that's going in one of my first aid kits, if not 2 of them, to fill in the empty locations. Let's go ahead and see if we can get one of these open here. So these are sealed packets. You can see it's in check. Cool. So bandages. Better to have than not have. We got ourselves a body bag. Major Survival. Made in China. Oh, they're trying to tell us something. Ooh, this is tightly taped up. Guess they don't want the body to get out, huh? Come on. At least want to see how long this thing is. So, it's kind of like a tarp material with straps. Heavy straps. Let's get this out of the way. It is bulky. And last but not least, got a nice little item here. CZECH 40-liter waterproof rucksack. So you can see rubberized material. Interesting fabric pattern on the inside, which you can sort of see through the rubberized material as well. See how these synthetic straps are kind of riveted on. Here's the bottom. Doesn't feel reinforced. The straps do go under the bottom though, to a point. And this is how it would fasten the buckles on the flap. So kind of different way of doing things as opposed to having the buckles on the pack and the straps on the flap. We have vice versa, buckles on the flap and just straps, loose straps on the pack itself. Whichever one would orientation would be beneficial as opposed to separation of, say, strap from its connecting point versus the buckle separating from its connecting point. Who's to say? I mean, applied stress you'd think would be even between both areas, but you never know, because this pulling down might create more stress on this point as opposed to this point because of the support layer. We have side flaps that will help against moisture entering. You can see how they reinforced these connecting points underneath here. It's kind of nice. Inside, inner pocket, canvas, tight material, snaps. Go all the way down. You see how far my elbow is. So that pocket, yeah, you can see that material goes right down to the bottom. Similarly on the other side, same thing. There's two of these deep pockets in there. And the bottom is not reinforced. I can see the same material at the bottom there, right here. So, we'll work our way backwards. Cheating off the manifest. CZECH 40-liter waterproof rucksack. I'm just going to go ahead and stick these bandages in there right now. These are 20 of the CZECH GAUZE compression bandages. Let's keep that out for show. We also had some PARACORD US GI version versus the British OD green, both in OD green. We also had a body bag from MajorSurplus. Interesting that. And we also had a bunch of these ponchos. One black, two OD green substitutes for tan. So this has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, tools, and other expanded topics. And we also do a series of book review, media reviews, and a series of curios for the curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.